We are at Durban Beachwood Mangroves. This is located on the estuary of Umgeni River. In this area, what we find mostly, there are three types of mangroves that we find here, which will be a black, white mangrove as well as a red mangrove. And there are a lot of crabs living in this area, where you would learn the ecosystem or the relationship between these crabs that are living here and these trees that you find here. This is a very beautiful and a protected area, and it's very, very educational. From the kids up to adults, we all learn something when you come up here. Durban Beachwood Mangrove is easily accessible. It's just 3 minutes away from town if you're driving to the north of Durban, and there is a lot of trees to find here. And to protect the crabs that are living here, they've built the boardwalks where you can walk, where it's designated for people to walk in between the trees, and you can see a lot of crabs, thousands of crabs, different species of mangroves as well. I would like to mention that Durban Green Corridors focuses on three pressing needs, which is ecotourism, environmental stewardship, as well as youth development. Durban Green Corridors offers responsible tourism packages as well as those day-by-day tours. On our ecotourism, we focus mostly on responsible tourism. We make sure that on our tours there is less carbon footprint as possible, like hiking, mountain biking, canoeing. There is no carbon emission on those kind of tours. We also does community-based tourism, whereby we support local SMMEs in different ways. The experience you can have with Durban Green Corridors is you can do hiking along the Umgeni River, you can do hiking along the dam at eNanda, hiking in the Valley of Thousand Hills, mountain biking as well in all these three places. And you can do canoeing experience in the estuary as well as at eNanda Dam. Our tours are mostly supporting community. We more about supporting locals where we work in. Everyone needs to have a share on what we do. Mostly people will learn new things in Durban. We'll take you to Durban hidden gems, those people that you never heard of. Durban is far more than the beaches that people come for. There is a lot more that you need to see in Durban, and if you really want to see more about Durban, Durban Green Corridors is the right place for you.